Elastic Load Balancing (ELB) features. High availability and health checks. An Elastic Load Balancer is highly available. You can distribute incoming traffic across your Amazon EC2 instances in a single availability zone or multiple availability zones. An Elastic Load Balancer automatically scales its request, handling capacity in response to incoming application traffic. To ensure that your targets are available and healthy, Elastic Load Balancer runs health checks on targets. To discover the availability of your Amazon EC2 instances, the load balancer periodically sends pings, attempts connections, or sends requests to test the Amazon EC2 instances. With Elastic Load Balancing, you get improved insight into the health of your applications in two ways. First, health check improvements that allow you to configure detailed error codes. And second, new metrics that give insight into traffic for each of the services running on an EC2 instance. Security. ELB provision within an Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, can leverage its network security features. When using VPC, you can create and manage security groups associated with Elastic Load Balancing to provide additional networking and security options for Application Load Balancer and Classic Load Balancer. You can configure any of the load balancers to be internet-facing, or create a load balancer without public IP addresses to serve as an internal load balancer. High throughput. Elastic Load Balancer is designed to handle traffic as it grows, and can load balance millions of requests per second. It can also handle sudden volatile traffic patterns. Elastic Load Balancers support sticky sessions. Sticky sessions are a mechanism to route requests from the same client to the same target. Stickiness is defined at a target group level. Delete protection. You can enable deletion protection on an Elastic Load Balancer to prevent it from being accidentally deleted. Operational monitoring and logging. Amazon CloudWatch reports application and classic load balancer metrics, such as request counts, request latency, error types and counts, and more. Amazon CloudWatch also tracks network and gateway load balancer metrics, such as active flow count, new flow count, processed bytes, and more. Elastic Load Balancers are also integrated with AWS CloudTrail, which tracks API calls to the ELB. Overview. Amazon CloudWatch is a monitoring and observability service built for DevOps engineers, developers, site reliability engineers, and IT managers. CloudWatch provides you with data and actionable insights to monitor your applications, respond to system-wide performance changes, optimize resource utilization, and get a unified view of operational health. CloudWatch collects monitoring and operational data in the form of logs, metrics, and events, providing you with a unified view of AWS resources, applications, and services that run on AWS and on-premises servers. You can use CloudWatch to detect anomalous behavior in your environments. Set alarms, visualize logs and metrics side by side, take automated actions, troubleshoot issues, and discover insights to keep your applications running smoothly. Here are some benefits of Amazon CloudWatch. Amazon CloudWatch enables observability on a single platform across applications and infrastructure. Modern applications running on microservices architectures generate large volumes of data in the form of metrics, logs, and events. Amazon CloudWatch enables you to collect, access, and correlate this data on a single platform from across all your AWS resources, applications, and services that run on AWS and on-premises servers. Amazon CloudWatch makes it easy to collect metrics in AWS and on-premises. It natively integrates with more than 70 AWS services such as Amazon S3 and Amazon DynamoDB, and automatically publishes detailed 1-minute metrics and custom metrics with up to 1-second granularity, so you can dive deep into your logs for additional context. You can also use CloudWatch in hybrid cloud architectures by using the CloudWatch agent or API to monitor your on-premises resources. Amazon CloudWatch also helps you improve operational performance and resource optimization. With CloudWatch, you can set alarms and automate actions based on predefined thresholds or machine learning algorithms. For instance, it can start Amazon EC2 auto-scaling automatically, or stop an instance to reduce billing overages. You can also use CloudWatch events for serverless to trigger workflows with services like AWS Lambda and Amazon SNS. And finally, to get operational visibility and derive actionable insights from logs, CloudWatch provides automatic dashboards data with 1-second granularity, and up to 15 months of metric storage and retention. You can also perform metric math to gain insights, such as aggregating usage across an entire fleet of EC2 instances. You can also explore, analyze, and visualize your logs, so you can troubleshoot operational problems. And with CloudWatch Logs Insights, you only pay for the queries you run. You can then publish your metrics and logs together in CloudWatch dashboards, for complete operational visibility.
S3 Overview. Amazon Simple Storage Service. Amazon S3 is an object storage service. An object consists of data and metadata. The metadata is a set of name-value pairs that describe the object. Buckets are containers for objects stored in S3. An object is uniquely identified within a bucket by a key. The object named photo/puppy.jpg is stored in the John Smith bucket, and it is addressable using this URL: http://johnsmith.s3.region.amazonaws.com/photos/puppy.jpg. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading scalability, data availability, security and performance. Customers of all sizes and industries can use it to store and protect any amount of data for a range of use cases, such as websites, mobile applications, backup and restore, archive, enterprise applications, IoT devices and big data analytics. Amazon S3 offers industry-leading performance, scalability, availability, and durability. It can easily meet fluctuating demands by automatically scaling your storage resources up and down without upfront investments or resource procurement cycles. Amazon S3 is designed for 11 nines of data durability, because it automatically creates and stores copies of all S3 objects across multiple systems. This means your data is available when needed and protected against failures, errors, and threats. Amazon S3 also offers unmatched security, compliance and audit capabilities. It secures your data from unauthorized access with encryption features and access management tools. S3 is the only object storage service that allows you to block public access to all of your objects at the bucket or the account level, with S3 Block Public Access. You should enable block public access for all accounts and buckets that you do not want publicly accessible. S3 maintains compliance programs, such as PCI DSS, HIPAA High-Tech, FedRAMP, EU Data Protection Directive and FISMA, to help you meet regulatory requirements. AWS also supports numerous auditing capabilities to monitor access requests to your S3 resources. Amazon S3 is the most supported cloud storage service. You can choose to work with a partner from the AWS Partner Network (APN), which is the largest community of technology and consulting cloud services providers. The migration partners can help you to transfer data to Amazon S3. The storage partners offer S3 integrated solutions for primary storage, backup and restore, archive and disaster recovery. You can also purchase an AWS integrated solution directly from the AWS Marketplace, which lists over 250 storage-specific offerings.